Well, I managed to walk in about 3 feet of snow just to get to my truck. The reason I had to do that, believe it or not, I got my good gloves in my truck, so I have to actually get to the truck, get my gloves, and so we could at least attack a little bit of the snow here. Again, as you can see, 3 cars, all of them are buried in snow. 3 cars. 3 cars. Unbelievable. Just give you a little picture of the house here. Okay. And here's a truck. It's not too bad since the truck is kind of big, so the snow's not too bad there. But here we go. 3 cars again, buried in snow. And the blizzard of 2013 in the Northeast area. Okay? Well, this is New England. When you decide you want to live in Connecticut, this is what you have to deal with. Nevertheless, it's all good. I tell people, I have no complaints, no regrets. I'm a happy camper. I'm good. Guess what? This too shall pass. Hallelujah. Oh yeah, believe it or not, guess what? One thing I know for sure, spring is coming. And after a while, springtime and then summertime, all of this will be gone. To God be the glory.